Hello, for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a message channel to communicate with customers. The message channels we'll be adding today is Facebook, Twitter, and your own personal website. Okay, so from your dashboard, you'll navigate to Customer Service, then you click on Channels. You'll go ahead and click Add New Channel. From this pop-up, you'll add the name of your channel. Okay, so we're going to start with website. So we're going to name it website channel. You want it to be enabled, and then you want to automate responses. That is having Pupsai engage with the customers automatically. Platform, you want to ensure that website is selected. Then you can go ahead and add your website URL here, and then a verification code. It can be any set of random numbers. Please ensure you ask your website administrator to create this page for your channel to be verified. That is powered by Pupsai hyphen along with your verification code. Then you go ahead and click add, and that's added. We'll go ahead and add the Facebook channel. It's the same. You click add new channel, and we'll name it FB. Enabled, you want Pupsai to automatically engage with customers, and then the platform, we're going to click Facebook. We're going to go ahead and click continue with Facebook. Ensure your pop-ups are enabled and not blocked, as a pop-up will appear and ask for your Facebook credentials. After you've entered your Facebook credentials, this pop-up will appear authorizing Facebook. You can go ahead and click this one. This is the page on your Facebook profile that Pupsai will engage or be connected to. After doing so, you can click close. For Twitter, it's the same process. Name it Twitter enabled, automatic responses, platform, Twitter, and you go ahead and then it will be added and you click close.